Hello guys, here's another question. A man standing 300 meters away from a wall sounds a whistle. The echo from the wall reaches him 1.8 seconds later. So the question is, calculate the velocity of sound in air. So the triune components from here, we have our velocity, we have our time, and we have our distance. So, but from this question, we have our distance to be d is equal to 300 meters. Are you here? So our d is equal to 300 meters. Then we have our time to be 1.8 seconds. Are you here? Then we have our v, which is velocity, to be unknown. So calculate velocity of sound in air. Hence our v is equal to question mark. So let's interpret this using a simple diagram. So let's assume that this is the boy, okay? The boy standing in front of a building. So let's assume this is a building. Now you can see the distance between the boy and the wall. Are you here? So the distance is given to be 300 meters. I hope you are following. The echo from that wall, from this building, reaches the boy 1.8 seconds later. So our distance is 300 meters. That is from the boy to the building. Is that clear? Then we are asked to calculate the velocity of sound in air. In case if you are asked for the echo, of course you know that this 300 will be equal to another 300. I hope you are following. Because we are referring to echo. Okay? So let's solve this properly now. We are solving using v is equal to 2d over t. Then automatically we know that our v will equal v is equal to 2 multiplied by 300. So we have 2 times 300 all divided by our t is 1.8. So all divided by 1.8. So that this will equal 2 multiplied by 300 will give you 600 over 1.8. Our final answer becomes 333.33 meters per second. Thank you. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.